What if you could grow your savings while also contributing to a more sustainable future? This intriguing idea is at the heart of Forbright Bank's high-yield savings account, which has been gaining attention for its unique blend of financial returns and environmental responsibility. But what exactly are the pros and cons of banking with Forbright? Let's dive into the details. First, let's set the stage. High-yield savings accounts have become increasingly popular as they offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, making them an attractive option for those looking to grow their money without locking it away for long periods. Forbright Bank in particular stands out due to its commitment to sustainability and competitive rates. Pros of Forbright Bank high-yield savings. Competitive interest rates. Forbright Bank's growth savings account offers a competitive annual percentage yield, APY, of 4.25%, which is higher than many traditional savings accounts. This means you can earn more interest on your savings over time, helping your money grow faster. Sustainability focus. One of the most unique aspects of Forbright Bank is its commitment to sustainability. The bank focuses on financing projects like renewable energy and green building updates, ensuring that your deposits are used to support environmentally friendly initiatives. This appeals to those who want their money to make a positive impact. No minimum balance requirements. Unlike some savings accounts, Forbright's Growth Savings does not require a minimum balance to open or maintain the account. This flexibility makes it accessible to anyone looking to start saving, regardless of their initial deposit amount. No fees. There are no monthly service fees or hidden charges associated with the Growth Savings account. Additionally, Forbright offers unlimited transfers without any fees, allowing you to move your money freely between accounts. Digital convenience. The account is entirely digital, which can be a plus for those who prefer managing their finances online. Forbright's mobile apps are highly rated, making it easy to monitor and manage your savings from anywhere. Unlimited ATM fee refunds. Although the Growth Savings account itself does not come with a debit card, Forbright offers unlimited refunds for out-of-network ATM fees on other accounts, which can be beneficial if you need to access cash frequently. Cons of Forbright Bank high-yield savings. Limited access to cash. One of the major drawbacks of the Growth Savings account is that it does not allow direct cash deposits or withdrawals. You need to transfer funds to an external checking account to access cash, which can be inconvenient for some users. No checking account option. Forbright Bank does not offer personal checking accounts, which means you'll need to maintain a checking account with another bank to manage your daily transactions and access cash. Limited branch and ATM network. Forbright has a limited physical presence, with no branches outside of specific areas and a limited ATM network. This can be a challenge for those who prefer in-person banking or need frequent access to cash. No cash deposit option. As mentioned, you cannot deposit cash directly into a Forbright Growth Savings account. This requires you to have another bank account to fund your Forbright account, which can be inconvenient for those who frequently receive cash. Transfer delays. Transfers to and from external accounts can take several days, which might not be ideal for urgent financial needs. Forbright Bank's high-yield savings account offers a compelling combination of competitive interest rates and a commitment to sustainability. However, it may not be the best fit for everyone, particularly those who need easy access to cash or prefer traditional banking services. Ultimately, whether Forbright Bank is right for you depends on your financial goals and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.